in all these people that you've worked on, what was the biggest cause of death? Ebantwini abaningi.
Most of them, gunshots,
Yo.
knife. Umunye bamkhatha ngereza la.
Razor.
Yeah. Umunye washiswa amafutha. Angazi ukuthi maybe washiswa umfazi, but washiswa
umzimba wonke.
Yeah. So, athele lapha ya umfazi wafika washa.
Yo.
Statement abasitshela sona bekibi. Ngitshela manje. Ekhona kwabanzima kumncwaba njalo. Liyamo ukuthi maybe uzama ukuthi okay, at least ngiswile leskin. Yesu jump keza ukuthi
Greetings to everyone. Welcome to it. This is the Make It Known podcast. Guys, we are humbled by the support that you guys are giving us. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Slow progress, but still, we're moving forward. As you guys always see, I'm never alone. I've always got a special guest with me. And I hope today's conversation will be something that you guys will enjoy. So, I'm going to let my guest introduce himself and we're going to take it from there. Gunjani, my brother. 100%. Okay, so abantu abangakwazi, if you don't mind, ne? Tell them your name, nokuthi usukaphi.
Mina uNthabiseng. Ntshabiseng waMasuku.
Okay, Ntshabiseng Masuku, ne?
Suke la eSoweto la eGlen.
Okay. Okay. Wait, ukhulele eSoweto or
Yeah, ngikhulele khona.
Okay. Benjani impilo eSoweto?
Uyazi igazi mfethu. So igazi nje kuphela, just like igazi.
Okay. iGlen indawo enjani?
iGlen indawo ayifani nalezi ezinye indawo lezi abolando nodwa. Indawo relaxed nje kuphela.
Oh, relax place. Semisabapho mhlawumbe.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay. So ukufunda ke ufunde kuphi?
Ngifunde kwenye indawo la eJoburg, what's it's college focused institution.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I went here to David Makubo.
Okay.
I finished my matric there. Yeah.
Okay. So what type of person were you at school? But take us from high school days, not from primary. Take us from your high school.
High school bengirise nje.
Okay.
Right. I was never in problem. Angangazi ngibaba enenkinga ukuthi mhlambe bathi I know.
Yeah.
Sifonele baba wakho noma sifonele uma wakho. I never got into fights. Just a nice guy nje.
For real. Yeah. If we got one of your teachers,
yeah, uzokhala because mina into bengiyenza I always question them. Always question them. If umuntu magathi hey, why wenza so thatha incwadi then you cancel that side, you get the point. When you serve you have to go and pick up that. Understand? So now like my question is, why would you do that? Instead of saying no, you did do this and that, take back your shit.
I know, guess what?
Then that's good. Then manje also like then mina sengizomphendula snacks because manje songimoshele. Then nami ngizophendula kanjani?
Ngiyazwakala mfethu. Yazi ngikuzwe kancane lapho mfethu ngesikhathi esikhuluma, ukuthi you also did a bit of acting.
Yeah, acting bengiyenza high school.
High school. Okay.
From grade 8, yeah.
Up until matric or just in
Nah, from grade 8 until grade 10.
Okay. Yeah. So my brother, before singene endaweni enkulu, what other talents do you have?
Rapping is mostly what I do.
Okay, so you were an actor, you were a rapper. Ngibonile futhi you're a master chef. You showed me a plate or two ngisho ukuthi my brother is actually a master chef. Nasema potweni yatholakala ne?
Not really emapotweni, but then It happened that I got a job at Waterfall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they make they also make sushi.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was hired there.
Yeah.
Then I trained sushi.
Okay.
After training sushi, so now I make sushi like I showed you.
Yeah. No, it was good work. It was good work, my brother. Okay, so we're leading up to the main thing of today. How was life after matric? Impilo benjani for you after matric?
Yabona impilo after matric angifuna ukuqambela abanye abantwana amanga ngithi I know
it was sweet.
Be right, I know just that even though ungaphasa no, it's not like that, because in those, let's say 50 applied.
Okay.
50 applied like that. If maybe seba full bona in that capacity, but there's a certain amount about tata. You understand? So
you mean varsity or college or
it's varsity.
Oh, in varsity.
Yeah.
Okay.
For like
okay.
my apply links first, because some of us basically let's keep it no suzo pata university not done. That's money.
A lot.
And we didn't have that much.
Okay.
You see, so okay, let me take a KPS fine and ngibona ukuthi ngenza kanjani.
Okay.
Then days passed ngabona ukuthi no. So there's this other guy Midrand.
Yeah.
So he was opening a warehouse. Generator, one of them backup generators, a shop right and stuff. Yeah. So so what I know from abantu abazongclean the warehouse for 10 days.
Okay.
Then I went there, started working. Nakhona umuntu okhona bekangasikhokheli the way bekangasikhokheli ngakhona.
Benropeka amadoda.
Beka shy. But then after the 10 days it's fine.
Yeah.
Sathatha imali yasinikeze yona sahamba.
Okay.
Hlala futhi gas, but then still ngisasene something like ngisabalancile.
Okay.
Then it happens because they opened the mall at Waterfall.
Okay.
Then I went there.
Yeah.
Then I got the job.
Okay, my brother, you know what? The elephant in the room, the big story, my brother, you know. Yazi, when you hear some things from other people, it's hard to just take it in if we call,
Yeah.
It's better to hear, from the main person,
Yeah, so, even though from another person who wants or is in that situation.
Yeah. Okay, 100%. So my brother, now that you're here, I'm so happy with we're gonna hear the story,
Yeah.
So my brother, can you take us to how do you now get in contact with getting a job at a mortuary, my brother? How does that happen? What leads you there?
Okay, so I had a friend. So that friend used to work with tombstones.
Okay.
I don't know what's a funeral parlor or what not. I don't know what they call those places where they sell box, coffins.
Funeral home, funeral parlor. Yeah.
Coffins and things.
Yeah.
So I was like,
okay, so how long were you seeking for a job by that time before you figured into it?
It has been like a year. Yeah, it has been because both of us were not working. So he got the work first.
Okay.
So they called, some of his brothers called, there's something like this, you can come.
Okay.
Then the nigga went.
Okay.
So
I tried to speak okay.
Then lomjita loma ngithola kanjani umsebenzi bathi bona mabamtshela bathi anosifuna umuntu.
Okay.
So the first person wamcabanga yimi eze out here kodwa no uthi ngidonsele out le. So mina I don't know ukuthi ngiwenzani lapho. You understand? Ngihamba lapho ngisho ukuthi wena sengine ngihleli manje and I need something. You understand? So ngihamba.
Yeah.
Mangifika lapha bathi okay mfethu. So bonisa ukuthi wena uzosebenza kanjani.
Okay.
So mina mangifika lapha I see kunama coffins, kunama tombstones and what not. Yabo. Okay. So hamangena lapha hayi wangamanye amabhutsi nyana. Bankane inye apron. Le apron le angazi ngayibona nje. Icover from la.
Yeah, I finally yase butchery mhlambe,
It's it's that long.
Yeah,
it's just that long. So apron.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, no, it's fine. Okay, apron, but follow me.
Okay.
So we're in your room. That room was dark when he opened it. Then he switched on the light. Maka light nje or like nga freezer like
how
manje mfethu usho ukuthi ngempela ungilethe la ukuthi ngizosebenza nalabantu or ngisebenza kanjani la phela like angithi yabe like it's a bed it's a bed like aligned just bese kuba nendlela ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukudlula you understand so sometimes it happens ukuthi abanye abantu bathi we don't have time ukuthi sisambe siyowasha lo muntu lo na other people but no way bekingane bathi I know maka washo ubani yibo labantu labo sina somthatha siyombeka
okay let's slow down choose yakuthatha okwesendaweni yomsebenzi
exactly
mawufika vele ufike was it a normal place like a factory
the place was normal
okay
the place was normal you can like even on the outside like you see okay it's a nice place
I jumpisa ukuthi ayila endaweni yabo okay wena make kuthatha umngane utheni yokwenza
no uthe yena make ngithatha lapha impija mithi mina ngikutholela isipani wena ube da ekseni you understand so even though naye bekangazi bona bamtshela ukuthi no
okay
mfethu sifuna umuntu only abamtshelanga ukuthi umuntu ozokwenza
okay hamba niyosifunela nje abantu nje abazosebenza kodwa kwaziyo ukuthi yini nomsebenzi
so wena uzobona so lapha vele ukuthi hawu amase ukwenza kanje
so first day on the job bakufaka kule ndawo ukuthi uyangena ubona amabhokisi ngapha na gaskets and then babusa some baqala bagqokise amabhoots but
apron ayigqoka lamabhoots lawo singene kanje then bangigaya mask
okay
imop cap le ay blue sometimes amanye ay white or
black
ngiyafika lapha yana but samfethu wena your work ukuthi mabantu abangafikanga ukuthi bazogeza labantu laba that's your work wena uzobugeza labantu laba
ugeza idombo first day ubona idombo ingaki lapha
yabona that's why ngisho ukuthi this other time uJabeka ngihleka athi so nina nisebenzela ukuthi abantu like uminyela ukuthi umuntu ashone ukuzuhole wena uminyela like but it's true though it's true you can minya for that
ukuthi
yes ngathi ungashona 3 vandag
umuntu
ukwazi ukugeza and it's like that
okay
it's like that
okay
even like let me before you say something let me tell you something if you're a police ne uzothi yazi namhlanje mangabo pa 5 nyana imali yami ebo exactly so I was like you couldn't even traumatic because I'm not that kind of person but then lapha ayekho umuntu ongena esober because there's these other 2 guys that came 3 days after.
So when 3 days after your first day on the job kunamachita fike
mina ngafika usho like I thought I think they fired lababanye you understand they had no one there and then they needed a person ASAP so I was there the first day then ngabona the first day I didn't touch anything I just observed second day then we started washing now
second day on the job
and let me tell you something yabona lapha they don't even care ukuthi wena umuntu wesimami or umuntu wesilisa uyageza uyageza mfethu uyamgeza umuntu uthi umuntu wesimami uyamgeza so the way the situation ebengakhona lapha imagine ungena usober uthi no namhlanje hayi angisober and the part wena manje usawubukana nedu
yazi let's track back oh yes
can I ask maybe do they offer you something to drink or
no they don't do that you work
just go normal
you work
okay yazi mina ngifuna ukuya kuphi ke first day when ufika lapho ufika usober obviously
obviously
ngoba wazi
angazi next I don't know
kwenzakalani ke uma observe lapho kwenzakalani ku wabe light lapha mfethu uyabona ke
yabona mabelight ngafreeze ngabuka nje kuphela I knew already ukuthi okay they already sell tombstones and coffins and whatnot I didn't know ukuthi bande mosha you get the point so and the place is clean you don't know even if mabamlanda umuntu bamlanda ngeback door you understand
and you okay so my brother first day mobile endlini ke mfethu unjani mfethu before singena to all the other days when you started working
yabona first day mangibuyela endlini ngiyalala nje into mina ebengizwe ubuhlungu most ukuthi mina I'm going to now ukuthi mangalala nje ngicabanga ukuthi kusasa ngiyavuka and I'm going to see those so like, because many things happen there yabo bakhona abanye uzozokuthi hayi babambe bamhambise emosha even if a person dies la estradini you understand or bamgwaze la estradini so when forensic ifika lapha yemenzani yamzipha
or they come in a body bag
yeah bamzipha mabemzipha kanjalo ama contacts with family they don't have ama kuthi ba contact abani ubache no they don't have so they take that person there you understand that's also thola ukuthi but hayi umntanami imagine uzoshayishwa imoto la lese wena uhlala leso wethu you understand akekho umuntu okwaziyo la eshayisa bafonela bani bethi bazothini to get the point so even if ukhawathekile kanjani bakwazile bafika lapha bakuvala bakhambisa kuleyo ndawo leya
also the
as time goes angithi lezi zinto lezi smell umuntu ushonile you smell that umuntu ushonile you can smell if I kill someone right now ngimfake lapha and bracket them you can eventually uzozwa small I know kuna small
or decomposition but ithatha isikhathi esinganani leyo nto leyo is it a day is it hours is it from your experience
maximum I can say 3 days ukuthi umuntu azokala ukuthi no
something is wrong how's that smell brother sorry to take you back but it's true it's bad ne
it's very bad yabona like have you ever like had a smell sekundane elifile
yeah
do you see how
it's bad like
it's bad it's bad so imagine a person a whole person
okay so my brother kancane again so first day more observe lapha how do they wash a body in fact you don't have to go into too much of the graphic details but how does that process happen is there a hose pipe is there what happens
no respectfully they do it sometimes but then the company doesn't allow
you
so imagine when you have to maybe wash 5 bodies today you get the point maybe bayeza abantu bazobusasa umntana no umuntu lo namhlanje siyambeka and then when you have to wash 5 bodies babeka 5 bodies today you have to wash 5 bodies and uzokulo ku busy lapha ya wenza kancane no you can usually just take a hose pipe and just spray insipho spray then good then you take them that side bayamshanga makeup
hayibo like it's
like listen yabona wena if even if let me make an example even if like mina ne mangashona manje ne bazongithatha bangifake lapha bangihambise lapha mabengihambisa lapha then bangeza ubuso bami obvious I've been there maybe for 3 to 4 days obviously usobolile uyabola eventually you understand so ubuso buyashrinka buyashrinka ubuso so
umuntu okhulupele nje kanje
kuyashrinka dog that's why bafaka i makeup even actors bafaka makeup all of them actors wow uzalo actors isibaya actors ushaka ilembes your what not they put makeup
so obviously yes I'm going to pose something there my brother with the bodies that you have seen respectfully so what happens to those that are injured badly and what's one of the worst you have seen
if like you are injured badly like let's say maybe unqome kunyawo la
okay
and then when we have to now take you make a bath you understand so in the way usually do they take a bandage they obviously I'm a doctor they cut the leg off
okay
then they bandage or they can just put an elastoplast then they can just bury you with an elastoplast so that you just right there
Bible
even if it rots then it's fine it's just an elastoplast it's nothing you can get another one Yeah.
Same question I was asking you. What's the worst you have seen from your personal experience? If you don't mind us taking you back there.
I'm not sure would be bamkwazile or bamshaya ibhodlela or bamhlabe ibhodlela, but like it was here. It was here, yeah. So angazi ukuthi ngenkathi bamletha lapha bathi bangalikhiphi le bhodlela. Yabo, but bangalikhiphi le bhodlela. So that nigga came there, head cracked, like ushonile, like in kunebhodlela.
Lihleli phakathi.
So lihleli phakathi.
Nimgeza enalo alikhishwa at all?
No, bazolikhipha vele.
Okay.
Obviously like bazolikhipha eventually because even manje ne.
Yeah.
Mina I love making terrible examples, but
okay.
Is it fine? I don't know.
No. As long as it tells the story, that's the biggest thing.
Exactly.
As long as it tells the story. Sorry, we still got laugh of it tonight. We still okay. Now continue.
So mina manje mangagwaza manje kanje ushone ne. So mawushona kanjalo mina I don't have the right ukuthi ngikhiphe lo mess. You understand?
Okay.
Or even if it's into eveli yenzeka nje ukuthi no, maybe uthi makahamba wela umess and it's the two of us in the house wela umess wahlaba and then mina I got there to remove it.
Yeah.
When avele lo ukhiphile, you are charged.
You become a suspect.
Yeah, exactly. No matter the story that you say.
Sexual umuntu la.
Because you almost even other people say, oh, you almost killed me. Sue him.
Hey, okay, brother. Before we get deeper into other things, how long did you work there?
I think I worked there for a month and a half.
A month and a half?
A month and a half.
Was it enough for you in that month and a half?
No, now they wanted me to be washing because it was 3 of us.
Okay.
Yeah. So bafuna ukuthi mina ngihambe ngiyosiza lapha ngama-tombstone.
Okay.
On the other side I'm washing these bodies. So I was like no. You can't do it. But it's in a snake, you can just fuck off. If you don't want to do this one, it's fine. And I went home.
So basically, everyone that is there, as long as you are in that building, it doesn't matter what job you have there, you're going to have to eventually work with the bodies.
Yeah. No, it's not like that. There are people who work with the bodies.
Okay, but on a special
there are the ones who work with the tombstones and coffins. Yeah.
Okay, so in this 1 month, how were you dealing with the fear, number one? How to keep yourself normal nje? How were you dealing with it?
Even there, lapha nabo basebenza lapha ne. Masingathatha breathalyzer manje sifika sithi bonke,
yeah. Alcohol,
bonke. Because like, and then the other thing, they had a meeting ne boss would no, you can't be drinking at work. You understand? No, listen. Bona baphendula manje no. Mina ngithuli ngiyambona like I'm very short ngathi ngintwana nje. So mina ngithuli nje ngilalela ukuthi basikhulumela. Yabo, bekhuluma kanjalo. Bathi hayi boss hayi angeke phela. Ayinami ngiyasho ukuthi I know it's fine.
Yeah.
Ngcono siyeke lento one time because mina angifuni ukuthi the next thing sengizothi ingapha nangapha imali yakho nabasangifakela imali yangabafaka imali eyodwa because just that side I'm helping.
Oh, that's why you were just lending a helping hand.
Yeah. Even now Akira I showed you there. Amaphikiswa amabhizinisi engizenzayo.
Yeah. Umsebenzi at the restaurant.
Ayisekho into engathi mina engangihlula khona lapha ya.
So ngicela ukubuza ke mfethu ne. Okay, ngicela ukubuza. Okay, so you when you're also part of bongayo soba nawe ne?
No, mina bengayi ngitho.
You always made sure what okay,
no, obviously like boss layer obvious, but if you're new, back now. You understand? Do you know how to do the work? Do you know how to what not?
Okay.
Yeah, back now. So, I just like couple of weeks ngaphuza. Then there was this other guy etangikapela liko. Okay, I was like ngizogayithela. I was like, okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Sifike likhava bathenga amanipha clip thrift. Fika lapha ukuthi ayitha shayela emlomeni.
Yo.
Yabo, singene toilet lapha ya. Siyangena lapha yabona manje sengishaya ispan. Iyasho le ukuthi no, lento le angeke uzovela uro ungena uro.
Yo.
Ifuna iplug. Some people there smoke and I don't know what they call it, cocaine.
Yeah, cocaine.
They smoke it there.
To just desensitize yabo.
They just do it there. Even like another thing, bane hamura. Different sizes.
Okay.
3.
Okay.
It's a set is 3.
Okay.
There's a big one, medium, and small.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that happens. Ukuthi umuntu makangavuka. Phela it happens. It happens. Ukuthi umuntu makangavuka khona lapha ya.
Yeah.
Would you say, uyogijima uyephi uyobiza ubani? Basasa le amora yawo nakini bazofika. Bakushaya ngalo lelo.
Ngeke ntotshe. Baqedelela lapha.
Baqedelela lapha. Lapha baqedelela lapha.
Ngicela ukubuza ke mfethu personal question njengoba soyibambile le ndaba wona kwayibona into kanjalo umuntu evuka.
Mina angazi ngayibona.
But siyaziwa vele ukuthi.
Bona basebenza lapha. Bayasho ukuthi ayitha ubheke abanye banokuvuka la. Yabo.
Angeke wathi.
Every day mawungena lapha kumele wazi ukuthi useplugini nyana because uzoba traumatized. Imagine sovukela umuntu.
Yo. Wait, ngikubuza bayifika kuwe lento ukuthi yazi sidumbu masikavuka la.
Bifika. Yabona lapha yana, yabona that's when ngisho ukuthi imali ne.
Yeah.
Mawufuna imali ungayenza noma yini for imali.
Yo.
Mawufuna imali ungayenza noma yini for imali. Skills sidumbu skills lapha.
Yeah, ukuthi okay, yeah, okay.
Then kuna laba abathathayo. Yeah, yonke like
my brother, yeah.
Maybe umuntu othwele.
Okay.
Or lezo satanism and what not. Yeah.
Yeah, so my brother qhubeka ke mfethu ukuthi yeah, yini uthi ukuthatha.
Ukuthatha, bayathatha. Khona labantu abahamba bayithwala.
Okay.
Yabona uthwala.
Yeah. Yeah, I understand.
What do they call utwala in English?
It's kind of like getting power from
another person.
Yeah, an entity, a spirit.
Exactly.
Yeah, a creature or something. Yeah,
those kind of things. Things. So manje, especially I'm a Muslim.
Yeah.
I'm a Muslim.
Yeah.
I'm a Muslim. I don't know ukuthi benzani. Because isidumbu sakona basiletha ngithi.
Yeah.
Nibo umuntu ushayisa accident, okay, baphuzumisela lapho bamfaka.
Okay.
Then bona mabebuya bona. Bafika lapha ya lesithumbu lesiyabasatha.
Hayibo. Kwenziwa kanjani lo mfethu ukuthi angithi uthi lo muntu lo ungene as umuntu bekathwele esaphila ngithi bekathwele. So obviously there was a certain power associated with lo muntu ne. How do they take that power, because that's a spiritual thing? Yabona
ipower nenhlanhla, it's simple to take.
Yeah,
it's simple to take. People are using umuthi ngaphandle la. I can come here and go umuthi and I love these jackets of yours. Yeah. I know, man, you can take it. That's muti.
Yeah,
that's muti. Even you see these niggas abo ban. I don't know, it's Alibaba. Yeah. Those niggas
giving away money.
These niggas are batwele. Bi Phakathi.
Yeah.
Do you know Bi Phakathi?
Yeah. The man that hands out money. Yeah.
Come and look at this nigga. Fucking texted me.
Yeah.
This nigga texted me on TikTok and I was like, how are you doing? What? And I was like, what the fuck?
Which one texted you?
Bi Phakathi.
The actual one.
Yeah, my turn.
Bi Phakathi. Bi Phakathi texted me.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah.
And indeed.
This is
who is straight? Yeah.
This is Big Pagaj. You see, even like on Facebook.
Yeah.
You'll see the profile picture.
Yeah, my daughter. Texting up and up.
No, I'm just wanting to show you.
Yeah, no, I know this one because it's a warning. It's a video of it too.
Yeah.
Via reels and stuff like that.
You see on Facebook. Same thing. So this guy texted me. I was like, why? Why you wanna try to test me?
And you're one of the first text your
imagine.
Yeah.
That nigga that hands out man online.
To about the strategy and stuff.
That nigga can come to you and say it's a if I 5,000. Yeah. And you think my brother, we are ham. Le 5,000 it takes in Tlantla yakho. Le 5,000 it takes in Tlantla yakho. So now when manje, you cannot be normal and just say you're doing giveaways money.
Yeah, very strange, man. Was strange. It's very, very strange. Yeah, it's very strange. Wait, manje. Wait, ungasichazela kule yesdumbu ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani kule yesdumbu noma umuntu eshonile khona ngoba ngeke ngayizwa into kanjalo but
umuntu oshonile ne niyakwazi ukuthi yabona most of the times khona ama celebrity labantu abaziwayo mabe ngcwatsha bona akaze wavezi bathinde ibody what
the open casket
yeah. They never do that.
Hey, it's for these reasons, no?
There's no one inside. They took the person. There's no one inside.
So wait, Uktata is actually taking the physical body. It's to you were somewhere else or
bahamba naso bakutwebuda.
Manje lapha emoshari kwenziwa niyavuma kodwa obviously you can't fight.
Yabona those people can come and say 25,000 taking cash, give us this one.
Oh, so
corruption.
Yeah.
Corruption. You can do whatever. Even organs. They sell organs. So maybe umuntu sekana 3 months akekho umuntu ozile wazothi hayi khona umuntu oshoni nawo la. Abavwe keep my organs. Mabe keep my organs kanjalo.
Yeah.
I don't know where they sell them to, but then
or they keep them on site and
then they stitch again.
He has been getting sazobuza ngalo ukuthi doesn't everybody get like cleans or
they can come no umuntu like utlinzela la afele khona
utlinzela la no do you know what I mean I mean like emotionally ne angithi ukhuluma ngokugeza estombo
yeah
but before kuleyo process leyo akahlinza umuntu ukuthi kukhishwe ezinye izinto mhlambe like your brain your
no
or some after the washing of the body
because listen at the end of the day everything will rot usala mathambo and your brain doesn't have what mathambo
okay that's a new thing I'm learning. I thought everybody that goes to the moshar they get open some parts removed and then
like they're allowed to come and do ama rituals
within the moshar.
In the moshar no shama rituals thatha spirit sakhe. That's why mina ngisho ukuthi especially amandiya I once saw a lot ngamandiya uthole baphethe izinto zabo ezishayo lezi ezingaka
incense type of
lokhu ishakayo ngaphakathi bafika lapha bakhuluma maketha bahambe lapha ngisho ukuthi lapha kusho ukuthi bathi angazi bathatheni usho khona abayithatheni
yo I know. This is okay. So can I ask? As we're gonna head towards the conclusion of everything, now, my brother. I'm a nightmare bewawa corner for when. Have you ever seen anything ghost related? In the true science, it's your guy born when I'm 17 wako.
Honestly speaking, angazi ngabona I ghost. Or into hlupha ukuthi ngena kuzeshakashaka one angeke. Do you know mythical information?
Okay.
Abanikeza na start. Yabona umuntu mayishonile ushonile.
That's what we know, isn't it?
Yeah.
Uthi makeshona it's the end.
Umuntu ushonile, you understand? Leyo ukuthi hayi uzonene bathini over life, afterlife.
Afterlife. Yeah, afterlife.
Ayikho lento le mfethu. Ushonile siyakuhlinza thina siyahola.
No, but wait, can I speak on that, my brother? Do you know what I think now, my brother?
Yeah.
Personally, Uguchi, we are made up of so much as human beings now. We've got the physical and we've also got the spiritual. Yeah. What makes us live is what's within it, the spiritual.
Yeah.
That goes somewhere and it goes very quick. Immediately something happens, yahamba lanto. Emotional is always too much. That's what I believe. We contain that shit.
Lalela. Wasn't ngitshela into ungayi-understand.
Yeah.
Yabona uthi emotional kuhamba so uyi-container nje kuphela.
Yeah.
Angithi.
Yeah.
La fele khona bathathile izinto.
Spirits is soul is God.
Soul God.
Yeah.
Then bamthatha bamusaphi?
Emotional. Ukuthi sidumbu vele.
Sokuthi sokunaso kwisidumbu vele umoya bakhiphile.
Yeah.
But then kwenzeke ukuthi lo muntu lo bathi sebamkhipha umoya akashonanga.
Yeah.
Avuke.
No, it's possible. Hey, it's yeah.
So nithethe iphu umoya.
It's possible. Hayi, uyabuya mfethu. Uyabuya.
That's why ngikutshela ukuthi lento lena is just it's just the hoax.
As we are saying, it's a mythical.
Yes, that's mythical information.
It's reality, brother.
I think ngizinto ngizibona ngendlela yami. The way
I hear you. And when you've worked actually with a dead body, you know.
Exactly. Yabona abanye abantu, yabona there are some things abangafuni reveal lapha. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't want to say anything but uMandela was our president bengimthanda and whatnot. But asang sayibona iblory review yakhe. Did you see it?
No. Nope.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
No.
Which is quite strange. Which is quite strange.
To get the point.
Yeah, which is quite strange. Have you worked with any celebrities before? Popular people, abantu abaziwayo, okay, so within maybe a community?
Nah, not really. Yeah.
But I have to say, you were just there for a month and how many days?
It was a month. It was a month and what? Wasn't it 5 weeks?
Oh, a month and. Well, that has to be 2 months then. If it's a month and 5 weeks.
If it's 5 weeks, it means we work
2 months.
And the week.
Yeah. 2 months, 1 week.
Yeah.
2 months, 1 week.
2 months, 1 week. Yeah.
Okay. What's much? In this 2 months, and you're gonna estimate now. In these 2 months and 1 week, how many bodies did you work on? 2 months and a week. How many bodies did you work on?
I worked on bodies like 81.
81.
In
a day, how many would come in? What's the highest number you've seen in a day?
Yo. In a day it was like 48. 48 in a day, because like they can even come and take other people. Then there is one left. They never came and took him. So now it's just there.
Yeah. So elangeni one go wangena close to 41 ne? In a day.
Yeah. In a day bangena mfethu. Yabona abantu bafa every day angifuna ukujama.
Yes.
Yabona mina especially yazi bengijabula mekunjani.
Yeah.
Maybe month end.
Month end?
Yeah.
That's when the highest number.
Yazi ukuthi
month end.
Abulala. Yeah. And mama wabuya.
Hayibo.
Ngazi ukuthi hawu.
No, not to make a joke about it, but hey. Okay, so in all these people that you've worked on, what was the biggest cause of death? Ebantwini abaningi.
Most of them gunshots.
Yo.
knife. Umunye bamkhatha ngereza la.
Razor.
Yeah. Umunye washiswa amafutha. Angazi ukuthi maybe washiswa umfazi, but washiswa
umzimba wonke.
Yeah. So, athele lapha ya umfazi wafika washa. Yo. Statement abasitshela sona bekibi. Ngitshela manje. Ekhona kwabanzima kumncwaba njalo. Liyamo uthi maybe uzama ukuthi okay, at least ngiswele leskin. Yesu jump keza uthi yabona ukuthi phela kayibi yakhipha uzosina soswela kusala ithambo.
Hayibo.
Yeah. Diwe umuntu ashenga khona.
Yeah. Hey, brother. No, I won't. Okay, what didn't you like about this job? To be honest, Nje, to someone who's out there who one day wants to do this thing as a career, you know, what didn't you like that you can warn somebody about?
Do not wash dead bodies, because one thing, bad lucks. Bad lucks. I'm a bad luck.
Akulandela wena as the person.
Akulandela wena ogezile. You understand? So that's why most of the time they prefer ukuthi umuntu wasekini can come and wash. You understand? So thina mathina sesiyawasha lapha so shiye sincane siyawashela. Ngoba as much as uyothi ungena lapha uthi clean thrift. Umuntu odakiwe usabani.
Yeah, like indeed nothing.
Yambone emile center kwistrata cream otodlula kanje. So yeah.
Okay.
That's how it is.
Now, I'm going to ask you a very weird question. Two weird questions.
Yeah.
This one, the first one is, what did you love about the job? That's the first weird question. What did you love about the job?
I never loved the job. I loved the money that they gave me.
How were you guys getting paid? Was it per body, per week, per month? How was that?
It was fortnight.
Oh, okay,
fortnight.
Okay.
So now I always had a paper where it was okay, today I watched this much, then I write. After that fortnight, I give them that. No, this is the one, so give my money. That's how it worked.
My brother, have you heard about the word necrophilia? I think that's what they call it, right?
Necrophilia.
Is it necrophilia? I will have to do research on that. Sleeping with a dead body, sexual relations with the sex, with the dead body. Was that ever happening?
Nah, it wasn't happening there. It wasn't.
Okay.
It wasn't. It wasn't.
Because we hear stories, brother. We hear stories. Sometimes a beautiful lady comes in. You know?
Mind you, Bella, there are cameras there.
Or they watch your every move.
So every move you watch. One of the last camera in the shop it's front of the toilet, like
okay, yeah.
Okay, we saw the person ungenile the toilet, but then uphumile na. So uphume ngeback door your groove.
Oh.
Then mafike groove lapha yakwazi.
Eish.
So ubuya kithi lapha thina sesigeza sithola imali.
I know, my brother, no ngezwakala. Okay.
Kunezinye izinto abantu abaningi abangazazi. Especially those ama spirituality ukuthi umuntu babuya lapha or umuntu uthola ukuthi ufile abathi asimncwabile uyibonile ibody view yakho ngiyibonanga umuntu bamthwebulile usebenzele umunye umuntu manje. Lazo ngisho ukuthi mina umuntu akashona.
Oh, hence because
as much as umuntu bakwazi ukumthwebula.
Yeah.
Ukuthi abuye futhi azosebenza.
Yeah.
Angeke uzokuvela uthwebula umuntu ophila ujama uthwebula ngiphila. It's impossible.
Yeah.
Umuntu ofile yamthwebula kanamandla yamthwebula ukusebenzela kwenye indawo.
And as we always hear about these things, but you know, sometimes they don't strike as reality because it's not something in which you see with your physical eye. It's not easy to just see it, and you know, when people don't usually see something that easily, it's hard for them to believe it. And it's abantu abaningi bakhola ngani ngokubona. You see, so my brother, there's a lot that we can actually talk about, but for what we have spoken about right now, I think we should hold it here. Is there anything you want to tell us that you haven't told us? Anything you wanted to talk about, mention that we haven't asked you, Ash?
Just that, there. You mustn't work sober. You mustn't work sober because you will see things. You will see because that is like I said, the bad spirits there.
Yeah.
They're very bad. Imagine passing all 10 bad spirits. But not everyone is kind-hearted.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You pass the wrong one and the spirit realizes that no, this is not the one, then you fucked up.
So was there a cleansing process eniyenzayo futhi mhlambe before niphume emsebenzini uye endlini phela usayobona abanye abantu? You can't be telling me that you're working with all these spirits and then
mawuqeda lapha ungene eshaweni uyashawa,
okay,
uyagcoba, ushintsha impahla uyahamba. Kusasa mabuya futhi ushintsha impahla zakho ugcoba lezo umsebenzi uqhubeka. More off then wenza lo.
Hey, so manje wena mfethu ifamily beyithatha kanjani lento le, abangane kade beyithatha kanjani mfethu, girlfriend kade beyithatha kanjani lento le mfethu, you know, was it something you let out or was it a hidden thing?
Nah, that was hidden.
You're telling me some people are going to watch this and see for the first time?
Yeah, that was hidden. They're going to see for the first time. That was hidden though. But then anyways, it's fine.
Yeah. Okay, I just want to say something just to people that are going to watch this.
Yeah.
I honestly say I appreciate people that do certain jobs because if they don't do it, who's going to do it?
Oh,
you understand? And if everyone is scared to do that job, imagine how many dead bodies would be just lying around, you know? So, honestly speaking, you guys neglect, you know, ukuhloniphisa umzimba, you know, ukuhloniphisa umuntu oshonile, you know. Akupheleli nje ukuthi ulele esladini somewhere, or you know, at least they can, you know, go somewhere, rest well, kwazi ukuthi there was someone taking care of the body, khona kwazile ukuthi awugeze lo mzimba, you know, if mhlambe la bekulimele kubethwe makeup. We appreciate everyone that is working within that industry. And I want you to also know something. There are some people that are going to watch this. Do you know there are some people that do a job because of the money, and there are some people that do a job because it's a gift that they have to do that job at all. So we don't want to be negative about this whole space of the job, because some people are sitting at home still young, mhlambe basafunda, bayafisa ukuthi one day ngizoyosebenza with dead bodies.
Exactly.
Ukuthi just ngohloniphise yabo. So we can't really paint a bad image on the whole job, because there are some people that are willing impela yazi ukuthi yeah. So that's my brother, even for that time when oyithathile ukuthi ube lapha usebenza, we appreciate you, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, because ukhona abantu bethu bahloniphisile mfethu, you understand it. Yeah.
Mina nje into engifuna ukuyenza kuba udokotela vele.
Oh, you want to be
because ngabona ngesibindi enginaso.
Ngoba isibindi into.
Ngesibindi enginaso ngabona ukuthi ngobodokotela ehlezi ngihliza abantu ngebhadi ngithola lo. Kusho ukuthi mina umsebenzi wezandla vele akusho ukuthi mhlambe into zalo.
Okay, as we conclude, my brother, as we conclude, would you go back again? Kodwa ukubonga mfowethu, kodwa ukushayela speech
then I wouldn't go there.
Awuzabuye lapho mfowethu.
Because no, mind you, no, you understand, but what if phela lapha bebangithanda ngaresign mina self, you understand, ukuthi mangabuyela vele bazongithanda.
Okay,
exactly. So
bowukhuthele ngomsebenzi
ukwenza nje kuphela. So inkinga manje bona bafuna keep mali.
Imali.
If we were like bakwazi keep mali, then I was going to stay there.
Okay, it's not a problem. Hey, my brother, thank you very much for being with us, you know. Thank you for taking your time to share your story, you know. There's a lot we could have spoken about, but with what we spoke about, and I know that someone out there is going to watch this and enjoy the episode. Thank you very much to everyone that is tuned in. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is the Make It Known podcast, Make It Known production. #let's play with other kids. We out.